Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use if plus is number function in Excel. So if you want to learn how to use if plus is number function, here I have created a table. Okay, so I want to establish a invoice tracker, means the payment is paid or not paid automatically. Okay, so how to do it, how to create that? You have to just use this if plus is number function. Click on equals to, then if. Okay, now logical test you have to enter is number. Okay, now value you have to choose this payment status. Okay, now comma. Now if payment status has a number, okay, then what happened, paid should be typed or appeared in the paid column. And if there is no number, text or anything else, then inverted comma, not paid, bracket, inverted comma close, bracket close. So just click on OK. Now if I copy this formula, so where there is no number, pending or on hold, not paid. Where there is a number, paid. So like this you can use this invoice tracker in Excel. Okay, so how to do it? Just do it with if plus is number function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.